What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back on the Ford Econoline van, and as you guys know, in the previous video we started pulling on the side, and we need to run down to Bohanons to see if he has a donor piece that we can cut off and weld onto the van. So Dad and I are going to run down to the junkyard and mark the cut on the parts if they're there, and also we're going to look and see if there is a frame rail for the Ford Mustang.
On the next lot.
Don't have.
Big van. Ford.
Yeah. 450.
Yeah, there's 2 or 3 vans somewhere down in the holders, 1, 2. I'm sorry.
I didn't see it.
Look down in the hole there. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second.
I think this is older. No, it's different.
What's different?
I think it's different. This is a short bed. You have long bed. Is it gonna work?
I don't know. It's better a white color.
Yeah, let's get a white one so we don't have to paint it. We just glue it. Hey, pressure reducer valve.
You need it?
Yeah.
It's old.
Came from a plumber man's truck. It's a hybrid Honda.
Hybrid? No.
Yeah.
This is name.
Yeah, it's hybrid.
La.
Look here.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's интересно, яка Honda?
Oh, Clarity. Honda Clarity.
Бачиш, який задок?
Yeah, I've seen this car, but I didn't know what it was. Honda Clarity. What is this? This looks like an MR2 or something. It's MR2. That is an MR2. I used to love those cars. All right, let's find the Mustang. The Mustang. The Mustang. The Goose-stang. Anybody need some Flow Masters? Man, I haven't been here in a long time.
Mustang.
Mustang. Mustang. There's the Mustang.
This route. This around here.
Somewhere.
Yes.
Oh, Escalade. You got this big old heavy bag too. This should be a lot of Ford here. Ford always crashing. Yep. Is that a EpiPen? Dude, look at this. This car has a USB port. Expedition. It's a little cold. A little underdressed for this. Oh, here we go. Look at this.
Oh, man.
Man. Hey, but it has the quarter panel. You saying the quarter panel is the same?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the same.
Long bed, short bed is same? Oh, because long in the back. Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. But it's have damage here, man.
Huh? Few.
Oh, this is a 2500, man.
И то 25 too.
Yeah.
Двери забрали.
Man, whoever took these doors, we need them back.
Few.
Check out the Chevy, guys. It's exactly where it belongs. Ooh, basketball. Check out this Ram. Also exactly where it belongs. Right here. Oh man, I can see it from here. Oh look, a Ford frame. Exactly where it belongs. Oh man, I can't do nothing with that. Dang, look at this. Is this CTSV? CTS no. I don't know. I think it's a Nissan. Nissan Quest?
No, it's a Nissan.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I don't know anything about minivans. You know me, I'm not a family guy. Dang. Oh, Mustang. Right here. Ah, man. Every Mustang bent up. What? Dude, there's an antique Mustang here. Everything have a damage. I do not know, man. Is there anything in that hole? Nothing but Fords, man. Ford F-150s. I think Ford F-150s all belong at the junkyard. Да. Бо він мотори продає. You got every truck you need here. Anything you need. I like those tires. I like the tires. I need those tires actually. Dang, I need that whole set. Look at this. Nothing but trucks, man. Oh, dang. Look at this thing. Got a bash bar on the front of it. Why? Is this a Ford Fiesta? Oh, it's a Focus. Ford Focus. Yeah, buddy. Ain't nothing left. Nothing but Ford trucks because the Ford trucks belong here. They don't belong on the road. And Ram and Chevy. Cyber trucks only. I'm kidding. Nothing. Bro, this thing ate a pole. Ah. Oh. CRV? Hey, you just gotta start bidding on them. Rated bid 3,000, rated bid 3,000, 3,100, 31 and a quarter, 31 and 5, 31 and 5, 32, 32, rated bid, rated bid, rated bid. Sold to the man flipping birds in the back. Tons of stuff. I need to get that one too. Wait for me, I got little legs. Mike hates being on YouTube. Oh, a lot of roofing nails. Bro, ain't no way there's a Red Bull in here. Huh?
Oh.
Energía. What's up, box? Here, you mark it?
No, this is the same? Oh no.
I don't know. This is long.
Yeah, but you need piece on the bottom, no.
Nah.
Yeah, it's long.
This is the long one?
It's first long.
Hey, sure.
Yeah, you're gonna need it, but you're gonna need to cut it here, like this.
Yeah, I need to cut here.
Yeah. That's good, that's good. You don't need Oh man. You're not gonna miss that line.
Yeah. Yeah, you need big piece, only piece of zucchini.
Inside piece at the bottom too.
So.
Yeah. Need to cut the floor.
Yeah, but I think over here, or you need something inside.
No, just
You need only protect all this over here. Probably I cut this over here.
yeah, that's fine. That's fine. As long as we get this piece.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
How professional.
Yes, I know.
Ah.
Profesional.
Yep. I think it's best in making big job for cleaning inside, you know. Huh?
Okay. Here, got the cap.
Here.
Hey, a little bit further, Dad.
Yeah, it's okay for a cut more.
Yeah, cut
Like
more.
metal, like
Yeah,
from-
give us
from
extra.
from the seat.
Yeah, yes, sir. Very nice.
No open door. Damaged door.
Huh?
Nah.
Who damaged it? You damaged it?
Little touch over here. That's no bad.
Ah, that's no big deal.
It's like nothing.
Yeah, I need this.
That's
It's
no
a
problem.
like you scratch a little your finger. You know?
Yeah,
Like nothing.
yeah. You just
I
rub
don't need
some
open. I need
rub
to
some dirt on it.
I cut over here and open though.
Yeah, a little bit damage.
Yeah.
That's okay though. Small price to pay. This is a 2500.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is 25.
Okay. Hey, there's no Mustangs with
What year?
2014, 15. And while we wait on our parts, we are going to take care of a little project for our good friend Bob. He brought it in this morning, and it is something that he uses for his family, and they need it this weekend, so we're gonna help him out. This is a water heater for an RV unit, and as you guys can see, somebody did not winterize it properly, and it cracked the tank. So we are going to use our diversion 180 to weld this thing back up and get Bob and his family back out into the woods. So as you guys can see, it's cracked pretty bad. We have a crack running all the way across around both of the inlet and the outlet. And guys, very important, if you have an RV and it gets cold, drain the water out of it, because this could be you right here with a big old crack. So we're going to take the wire wheel and clean it up a little bit and then throw some welds on it and then pressure test it. No, voda rozperla. Ice. Check that out, guys. The water tank is all welded up, and I went ahead and put a nice bead around both of the fittings just to give it a little bit more strength. And I did a double weld on all the gaps and all the cracks, so I think it's going to hold. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell Bob to go ahead and install it and give it a test, make sure it's not leaking before he goes out camping. And that way, if there is a leak or something small, he can bring it back and I can take care of it for him, and he's not stuck out there without hot water. Unfortunately, we are waiting for parts for all of our projects currently, so that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, and also check us out on Instagram at 23rd_garage, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.